guys, this is a video on one of my most favorited videos on YouTube. Now, I love this. It is a Fairbanks Morse diesel engine, 1939 or 6, I believe. So shush and let's just listen.
Sorry, we're doing loads of wrong things.
Love that. Absolutely love that. Right, wait. So all you dudes in school, like Jake B and everything, this is what I was talking about, how I liked this one. Like, remember earlier in the year, so yeah. This is the one I loved.
And this is my iPad, by the way.
This is Radiant's iPad. Dude.
And it's red.
Oh, I love this.
Comment down below if you like the colour red.
Yeah.
Because then you'll love the iPad. And comment down below if you actually like Amazon tablets.
Stop.
Right, Captain Plasma.
Right, stop. Shout out to whoever made that video. What's his name now? Let's scroll down a little bit.
Kimmel.
Down a little bit. So, if you recognise this, this name, which is Kmed1440, KMED1440, shout out to you, bro. Thanks for this epic video. Bye. This was inspired by you. Thank you. Bye. See you. Bye, Shaggy. Wait.
Bye, Shaggy Makunita.
I don't think, Radiant, they want to hear your silly noises. Bye-bye.
Bye. Hello. Bye.
Sploosh.
Hello. Bye-bye. I actually...
Sorry. Bye.